Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, I've got the rest of my Ibotta rebates to complete my weekend whiteboard bonus and to complete my lunch money bonus. I actually finished it on Saturday, so I wanted to share the rebates with you guys because I did do a couple of things that I haven't done before. So the first rebate is on the Lola products. We've had this rebate before, but it popped up again. So this is actually the Lola Heavy Ultra Thin Pads with Wings. These were actually a reduced price. They were $5.17 in my Walmart. I think normally they're more than that. The rebate was for $3, making the final cost to $17. Next rebate I decided to do was the Welch's juice. I did the mango twist, guys. There's not a Ibotta rebate, but there's an any juice rebate for 10 cents. Now, also on Shopkick, if you scan in store and upload the receipt, you're gonna get back 56 cents from Shopkick. Plus the 10 cents for the any juice is going to drop the cost to $1.34. From $2 to $1.34, I think that's pretty good. Next thing I decided to get was the Bic products. Now, there is a Bic stationary Ibotta rebate, but these products do not match for it. Now, if you look in the description, these are on there, but it's 5+1 is how they worded it in the description. And this does not work. This is only 5. They just did that, so this wouldn't work. You know that, right? So anyway, the Bic products, I got the pens. The pens were $97, and these were actually $1.97 for a total of $2.94. There was a $2 coupon that was in the 8-1 Smart Source I used, making the final cost only 94 cents for the 2 packs. I really was wanting the highlighters because I've got gobs and gobs of ink pens. This rebate I decided to do was the Palmer's. The Palmer's is back. We've had this rebate before. They're priced $3.88 in my Walmart. There's $2 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.88. This is a Moisture Boost Grow Treatment, okay? Yeah. Like a leave-in cream for your hair. Next rebate was on the Ooey yogurt. This is the maple flavor. It was priced $1.34, 25 cents back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.09. The next thing that I got was the Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk. I buy this product, so this is a good pantry item. $2.14. There is 75 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.39. Next rebate, guys, was on the flips, the white fudge flips. Now, these are the ones that's up by the register. They're actually cheaper in price. These are priced $1.98. There are 75 cents coming back from Ibotta, plus there is a rebate on Shopkick. Now, to get my in-store kicks, I did scan the larger bag. That's $3.18, but I'm uploaded the receipt for this one, so hopefully they're going to give me my 48 cents back. For a final cost of 75 cents for the flips. I think that's a great deal. Next, I decided to get the Snickers again. Okay, the Snickers is $1.48. There's 25 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.23 for the Snickers. You know, I was trying to do cheap rebates, guys, because I want my $10, and I want my $5, and I want my other bonuses. The extra is $1. The rebate is 50 cents. Final cost, only 50 cents. Cheap rebate. And this actually qualified me for a bonus because I keep doing it. So that was good. Then I got the Werther's Original Creamy Caramels. Price $2.18. $1 coming back from Ibotta, only $1.18. I decided to get my soft soap again. Soft soap is $1.98. 75 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.23 for the soft soap, hand soap. This is the 11.25 ounce rebate. Now, next, I got my Lysol wipes, guys. I'm gonna keep on doing this rebate till they stop giving it to me. Now, these are priced $2.34, a total of $4.68. I used that dollar coupon off of 2, dropped my cost to $3.68. I got 50 cents back for each one from Ibotta. Final cost $2.68 for the 2 containers of Lysol wipes. I told you guys I use Lysol wipes every day in my house, so I must stock up on those. It's giving me a little discount, but I'm taking it. Next is the Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola was priced $1.94. I think they went up on that thing because I could declare it was a little cheaper, but $1.94, 25 cents coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $1.69 for the Coke. And I did get a bonus for this one because I purchased it in separate transactions over time. Last one was the mac and cheese. The Kraft mac and cheese is 98 cents. There's a 25 cents Ibotta rebate. Final cost 63 cents. Okay, let's talk about the numbers. Let's talk about how much everything cost. Everything that I purchased in this transaction was $30.69. Of course, I am using Ibotta money, but I did have a $5 shop kit gift card that I decided to use, dropping the cost to $25.69. Now, this is the bonuses that I got back, okay? I got a 50-cent Coca-Cola bonus. I got a 50-cent extra gum bonus. I got my $5 weekend whiteboard bonus for completing 18 rebates. And I did complete my $10 bonus for lunch money bonus, which was for doing 42 rebates. And I got 50 cents for my August level 1 for completing 40 rebates. Yeah. And in the actual rebates from this transaction, $10.95 for a grand total of free and a $1.76 money maker. I'm pleased with that. As long as my Ibotta coupon money goes back up to what it was, it's a good deal. Because I'm going to use that money to buy some more stuff to do another video to show you guys. All right, lovely people, that is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, let me know in the comments below of the video. And what is your favorite item that you have gotten from Walmart and Ibotta this week? Even if it wasn't from Walmart and you got it somewhere else, share in the comments below so the other lovely people can go and take advantage of that deal. All right, remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.